Good day, students. Today we will learn about the degrees of comparison of adjectives. See the few pictures on your book. Anil has a big house, Tom has a bigger house. Tina is a tall girl, Nina is taller than Tina. In the first example, you can see the comparison of two houses, and in the second pictures, we can see the comparison of two girls. So adjectives sometimes compare the nouns or pronouns. So these are called three degrees of comparison, namely positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. And we will get to know about these 3 degrees of adjectives one by one. So the first one is positive degree. The adjective is said to be in positive degree if it describes one noun or pronoun. Means positive degree adjective की क्या होती है जब हम जनरली किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में बात करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जावेद इज शॉर्ट, हबीबा इज प्रिटी. Here pretty and short describe Habiba and Javed respectively. Now coming to the activity on page number 56, we have to just fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives in positive degree. Means हमें इन sentences को किसी भी suitable adjectives के साथ complete करना है, and the degree should be positive. They live in a big city. She has a small kitten. Ramu is a kind servant. Charu is a good girl. The cake is delicious. So these are the few adjectives which are suitable for given sentences. You may use the adjectives of your choice also. Now moving to the second degree of adjective, that is comparative degree. The adjective is said to be in comparative degree if it compares the quality of two nouns or pronouns. कोई भी डिग्रीज ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में कब होती हैं? जब हम किसी दो नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस को कंपेयर करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नावेद इज़ शॉर्टर देन जावेद. मीन्स हम नावेद और जावेद दोनों की हाइट को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. इन द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, रीमा इज़ प्रिटियर देन हबीबा. अगेन वी आर कंपेयरिंग टू गर्ल्स. द एडजेक्टिव इन द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय द वर्ड देन. जब भी हम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में यूज़ करते हैं एडजेक्टिव्स को, तो एडजेक्टिव के बाद देन आता है. यू कैन सी दैट नावेद इज शॉर्टर. शॉर्टर इज द एडजेक्टिव, देन जावेद. यहाँ पे देन आया है बिकॉज इट इज़ द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. तो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में एडजेक्टिव के बाद हमेशा देन आता है. रीमा इज प्रिटियर देन हबीबा. Now, most adjectives have er added to them in the comparative degree. Comparative degree में कुछ adjective के साथ er भी लगता है. For example, more beautiful, and sometimes जहाँ पे er हम add नहीं करते, in that case we use more before the adjective. Okay, so कुछ adjectives comparative degree के कुछ adjectives में हम er लगाते हैं adjective के साथ, and जिन adjectives के साथ हम er नहीं लगाते हैं, we use more before the adjective. For example, more beautiful, more loyal, more courageous, more dutiful, more intelligent, more sincere. Okay. Now moving to the next activity. In this activity, you have to complete these sentences with the comparative degree. Comparative degree use करके adjective के हमें इन sentences को complete करना है. For example, the first one is an elephant is dash than a wolf, strong. And strong की comparative degree क्या होती है? Stronger. Rita's hair are longer than Mira's hair. All these hints are given in the brackets. May is hotter than April. Lead is heavier than cotton. Mangoes are sweeter than oranges. Your pencil is shorter than mine. यहाँ पर स्ट्रॉन्ग का कंपैरेटिव डिग्री स्ट्रॉन्गर होता है, लॉन्ग का लॉन्गर, हॉट का हॉटर, हैवी का हैवियर, स्वीट का स्वीटर एंड शॉर्ट का शॉर्टर. Now moving to the another activity on page number 57. In this activity again we have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of comparative degree. Hints are also given to us in the brackets, and in this activity we can't use er with the adjective, so we will use more with the adjectives given to us in the brackets to complete these sentences. My car is more expensive than yours. Mr. Smith is more handsome than Mr. Chan. Kamla is more intelligent than Shruti. John is more hardworking than George. Apple pie is more delicious than apple custard. So you can see that with these adjectives we have used the more. Now moving to the third degree, that is superlative degree.